Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Ninja Warrior obstacle courses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja Safe Kids Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course. Ready to train like a ninja? Bring your backyard to life with the Ninja Safe Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course for kids. This incredible set provides 10 durable obstacles and a 50-foot slackline, making it the perfect outdoor playset equipment for both boys and girls. With physical fitness in mind, the obstacle course helps families train like ninjas. Plus, it offers a broad range of workout activities that can strengthen cores and enhance overall strength for a healthier lifestyle. For the maximum value, the kit includes 4 of the most popular obstacles: a climbing net, climbing ladder, 360 spinning wheel, and freestyle rings. If you're looking for a great gift option for children, then look no further. The Kids Ninja Obstacle Course is conveniently packed in an attractive gift box to make birthday celebrations extra special. What's more, setting up is easy. All you need are 2 trees spaced 20 feet to 45 feet apart, and the instruction manual will guide you through the rest. Its safe design, durable construction, and high-quality materials earned this product its spot at the top of our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Yponix Kids Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course. The Yponix Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course for Kids is an innovative, dynamic playset that provides children with a fun combination of physical and mental activities. This 4-in-1 playset features 12 deluxe obstacles, 2 sturdy slacklines, a swing, and a trapeze swing with a climbing ladder. The obstacle course is designed to help kids stay creative and active outdoors, free from electronics. It encourages physical exercise that develops good balance skills and builds confidence in young ones. It also allows for flexible fun for both kids and adults. Made from ultra-durable materials and certified safe, the obstacle course can hold up to 450 pounds so multiple kids can play at once. Plus, it's great for people of all skill levels, from beginners to pros. Installation is quick and easy in any backyard, playground, home gym, basement, pool, or beach park. The kit includes an exciting assortment of the most complete obstacles that make it ideal as a birthday or holiday gift. At number 3, we have the Yponix Sporting Kids Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course. The Yponix Sporting Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course for Kids is a great way to get children moving and active outdoors. With this 50-foot course, kids have plenty of space to explore and engage in physical activities. The course contains 10 durable obstacles that are designed specifically for kids, so they're easy on their hands and can support up to 880 pounds. This product features all-weather materials, and the slackline sags minimally while your children are playing. The 9 essential obstacles are designed especially for kids, plus an extra oversized 6-foot by 3-foot net. This is a great way to get your kids up and moving while they enjoy the outdoors. With 50 feet of slackline, it can be easily set up almost anywhere, with trees ranging from 15 feet to 45 feet apart. Kids will have endless hours of outdoor fun jumping, climbing, and swinging on the unit's many structures. This pick offers infinite possibilities for outdoor fun, making it a great toy for any backyard. Plus, there's no nagging necessary to get your kids outside for exercise. With this course, the entire family can join in on the fun. At number 2, we have the Fofana Kids Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course. The Fofana Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course for Kids is the perfect outdoor activity for your adventurous young ones. It comes with 45 pieces and 11 obstacles, so your child can become a true ninja warrior while honing their upper body strength. Suitable for ages 8 and above, this jungle gym includes a climbing rope ladder, spinning wheel, monkey bars, gymnastic rings, a swing, and a ninja slider to test your kids' skills and challenge their limits. This product provides ample opportunities for your kids to build their strength while playing outside and putting away their phones and video games. Not only will you be encouraging them to be more active, but the set will also provide opportunities to make awesome memories as a family. The obstacles are also rearrangeable so you can create limitless variations to keep the fun going and ensure that everyone in the family can get in on the fun, even adults. No need to worry about safety either because this product puts safety first. It is equipped with an innovative carabiner and hook system that is tested up to 1,000 pounds and is easy to install in 10 minutes. What's more, the slackline is long enough so it's easy to find suitable trees to use it on without causing any damage. And finally at number 1, we have the Jugader Kids Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course. The Jugader Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course for Kids is an innovative, fun, and exciting playset for any child. This kit has everything any child would need to become a real-life ninja warrior while also providing hours of entertainment. The most notable feature of this playset is its versatility. The set includes a mini cable slider pulley which can turn any zipline into a slackline in a matter of minutes. This means that in addition to the obstacle course, your kids can enjoy flying around the backyard. The quality of the tools included within the set is also exceptional as the pulley is made of aerospace aluminum which is capable of holding up to 6,000 pounds. The gym rings are also uniquely made as they are sewn and hot melted fixed, making them stronger than those found in other sets. The set also comes with a ratchet for easy installation so that the set can be quickly put together and taken down without hassle. This makes it incredibly convenient as it can be enjoyed at home, at the park, or at a friend's house. The package contains everything necessary including 2 slacklines, 1 with a ratchet, 1 pulley, 1 rope ladder, 2 gym rings, 3 monkey bars, 2 rope knots, 4 tree protectors, 9 triangle clips, 9 carabiners, 1 triangle clip, and 1 storage bag. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.